जवा कदम मंजिलों को ढूंढते हुए.
You know, the 70s and 80s was a time of mushrooming of movements. People thought after independence, our own governments will look after its people. And there was, while a sad realization that the state wasn't going to be necessarily looking after its people. So there was, across the country, there were people yearning to do something. So it was a great time to then bring in this support, which was probably a rare one, fellowships for community activists.
Basically, the idea was to look for such people, extraordinary people, who had commitment, who had sacrificed a lot, who lived a simple lifestyle, who were closer to the community, who didn't need much money. But all of them were people with a vision, and they were spread all over the country.
The need was immense because there is still a void in the, I would say, in the funding structure in the country, which does not readily support individuals who want to work at the grassroots.
And how do we recognize talent and people who had the potential to play a leadership or effective role? People who would scale up if they were given some startup support, who would scale up their work, who would engage others in the field. So I think we were very clear on our criteria.
They were chasing a dream. And Shruti wanted to make that possible on a small scale, on a low profile scale. We actually went out looking for people. And I think we found some very good people who are still a part of Shruti.
जिंदगी बुला रही है आर्या, सर उठा के आज तू भी मुस्कुरा, आके जिंदगी के गीत बन के आसमान में, सूर्य बन के रोशनी बिखेर दे जहान में, हम बने धरती के होठों की जुबान, जिंदगी बुला रही है आर्या.
Shruti really owes its origins to William Drayton, who is the founder of the Ashoka Foundation. The board members who were responsible for bringing Shruti into being were with the Ashoka Foundation. They were very enthused with the idea and thought they would like to start a similar organization, but purely indigenous.
All of us who were founder members of Shruti had already had a background of working with small groups, campaigns in different parts of the country. And we pooled all those resources that we had together to find out if it fitted into the mandate of what we had in mind with Shruti. Sameer was working on health, we were working on drinking water, and Tara came up with those women's groups. And we were not looking for very many people, we were looking for a right, tight selection of people.
The idea was very simple, that of investing in individuals. Funds would be raised indigenously. It would be a response to very grassroots needs. The people who were looking after the office travelled extensively to extend that network.
हम जब भी दिल्ली आते थे सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जो केसेस चल रहे थे सभी, उस सिलसिले में मैं एक दिन इनको मिला, पूनम मुत्रेजिया को. तब श्रुति नई नई बनी थी और उन्होंने उनके सोच, उनके राय श्रुति बनाने के पीछे क्या था कि वे स्वयं कोई सपोर्ट खड़ा करें. वहाँ से श्रुति का रिश्ता शुरू हुआ.
हे मोटली नदी कोनी न छे आमरी छे हे झाड़ना जंगल कोनी न छे आमरी छे हे जंगल जमीन कोनी न छे आमरी छे.
when there is a conflict and when the state or the vested interest comes down heavily and violently and negatively against the activism at the community level, that they should be there to support. All of them did do that. They were interested, they had energy, they had commitment, and they had mainly commitment to invest in others.
Most important contribution that Shruti was making at the time that we started and continue to do is to be able to raise Indian money to support the fellows. Now, given the environment that we are in, where there is recession, where there are changing priorities, much greater consumerism than there ever was, raising this money is becoming even more difficult.
Planning Commission had begun to invite people from the development sector. They were entering the corridors for these consultations when 5-year plans took place, and we used to give names of Shruti Fellows to be included in many of these processes that were taking place in Delhi. So people came at every opportunity to Delhi. We took every opportunity to go to meetings at the regional level or state level or within a district. People used to come, fellows, potential fellows, fellows we didn't select, used to come to Shruti to visit us. We used to have a lot of reading materials we used to keep, which we used to share. People had great value because the resources were so limited, so they were much more valued.
The fellows have faced a lot of oppression and hardship on account of false cases being clamped on them. I think once we've selected a fellow and we've done our due diligence, if you might say, I think there's no option but just to be there for them, be there for them, for their families, for the communities, and I think we've lived that out. That's what we're there for. That's the space we've created for ourselves. That's the identity we've created for ourselves. That's the mission we've created for ourselves. That we are going to be working with individuals who've taken up very difficult issues in difficult areas.
And it was in a range of activities from land rights to forests to community development, health. So it almost like it was meeting a universe.
ये सन्नाटा तोड़ के आ, डर के बंधन छोड़ के आ, ये सन्नाटा तोड़ के आ, डर के बंधन छोड़ के आ, अपने गम की दवा कर ले तू, अपने गम की दवा कर ले, अपने गम की दवा कर ले तू, दर्द से रिश्ता जोड़ के आ, ये सन्नाटा तोड़ के आ, डर के बंधन छोड़ के आ।
मुझे लग रहा है एक बहुत यूनिक काम है श्रुति का इस मामले में, कि ऐसे बहुत ही कम होंगे जो आपको आपका मनचाहा काम करने के लिए कुछ एक छोटा सा सपोर्ट देते हैं।
हम ऐसे ही ग्रुप की खोज में थे जो हमें कोई प्रोजेक्ट ओरिएंटेड फंडिंग हम नहीं चाहते हैं, लेकिन एक थोड़ा आधार जिससे मिले कि जिससे कार्यकर्ताओं की निजी ज़िंदगी जो चल रही है उसमें एक थोड़ा हिस्सा वो बढ़ा पाए। और सिर्फ आर्थिक रूप से सहयोग नहीं, लेकिन बाकी बहुत सारी जो जानकारी है, जैसे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में हो रहे डिसीजंस है, अलग अलग जो पॉलिसीज़ है, कानून की जो भी पहल होती है, उसमें जो मसौदे सामने लाए जाते हैं, उन सब की चर्चा, उसका एक सर्कुलेट करना और उस पर अपनी अपनी बात रखना, ये सारा श्रुति करते आई है। और जो बहुत बहुत ही मुझे लगता है कि ज़रूरी और हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण उस तरह का सहयोग रहा है।
The second support has been to be able to associate with other similar like-minded groups across the country. Small groups, but groups that are rooted in their locality, in their reality. And that then is mutually strengthening because meeting up with people gives you a wider perspective.
हमसे भी जो पूर्व के समूह हैं, उनका भी रिश्ता इसी वजह से बना रहा कि श्रुति उनकी सहायता करती है। आर्थिक सहायता एक बात हुई, इसके अलावा जो मनोवैज्ञानिक स्तर पर, भावनात्मक स्तर पर जो एकजुटता जाहिर करती है, वो भी महत्वपूर्ण है और बिना किसी हस्तक्षेप के।
अलग अलग स्टेट में जो ग्रुप्स काम करते हैं श्रुति के साथ में, तो उनके वहाँ जाने का मौका मिलता है, वहाँ सीखने का भी मौका मिलता है कि अलग अलग परिस्थितियाँ किस तरह की है। और जिस तरह की बात हम कर रहे थे कि अलग अलग आंदोलनों को ही एक जगह पर आने की ज़रूरत है। श्रुति के माध्यम से हम यहाँ एक दूसरे के जो सवाल है, किस तरह हम जूझ रहे हैं और किस तरह यश मिल रहा है, और अगर अपयश भी मिला है तो क्यों मिला, किस तरह मिला, एक दूसरे की क्या मदद कर सकते हैं, इस तरह की एक अपॉर्चुनिटी यहाँ मिल गई है।
एक जैसे नदियों के धारा में सरस्वती अंदर से प्रवाहित होती है, उस तरह से हमारे साथ हाथ मिलाया, और हमारे बीच में अगर हमारे प्रवाह में इनका कोई योगदान था तो इतना कम दिखने वाला था कि सरस्वती नदी की तरफ प्रवाह करते हुए सरस्वती ने हम लोगों को मदद किया। उस मदद का बहुत अर्थ है।
वो ड्रीम था मन में कि इज्जत का साथ जीने के लिए ये आदिवासी समूहों को प्रेरित किया जा सकता है, वो आज मेटेरियलाइज हो चुका है। क्योंकि जो एक दिन मुझे देखते हुए जंगल के अंदर घुस जाते थे, आज जाके कोई बड़ा सरकारी अधिकारी उसका टेबल में हाथ रख के वो बार्गेन करते हैं, तो अपना इज्जत का साथ अपना अधिकार को, हक को हासिल करने के लिए।
आर्थिक मदद का साथ साथ हमको जो जानकारी का जो मदद मिला वो हमारे लिए बहुत बहुत ताकत दिया, और जो उत्साह मिला है, जो प्रेरणा मिला है, वो सबसे बहुत ताकतवर हमारे लिए।
सबसे ज़्यादा सहयोग मुझे श्रुति ने एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया, मेरे काम को समझा, रिकग्नाइज़ किया। हमारे यहाँ का जो इश्यूज़ थे उसको भी काफ़ी जगह उन्होंने मीडिया में लाने का प्रयास किया, दूसरे मीडिया के लोगों को बताने का प्रयास किया।
का जो आंदोलन जगह जगह पे जो होता रहा, लोगों को परेशानी होती रही, हम लोग वहाँ नहीं पहुँच पाते थे, तो नहीं पहुँचने के कारण वहाँ लोगों का सहयोग नहीं कर पा रहे थे। तो उसमें जैसे ही जुड़े वैसे उन लोगों को वहाँ तक पहुँच पा रहे हैं। आज उनको मदद का कानूनी मदद कम से कम कर पा रहे हैं।
In today's context, this particular space that Shruti offers has probably never been more relevant. Shruti has had a long history with its fellows, and very often one tends to think of fellowships as a short cyclic 3-year, 5-year period. But in Shruti, most of the fellows who have engaged with Shruti have been there for an average of 15 to 18 years. The people who start the work, it is not just one individual doing one thing. It is an individual who has created change, and that change and those issues and the number of people who engage with it, the number of villages and number of families that are involved in that work just keeps dovetailing year after year after year. So very often where you see the journey of the fellows from where they've started to the kind of work that their sangatans are leading today, it has not stayed static. Therefore the work is always evolving and always relevant to the context today down the generations.
मैं तुमको विश्वास दूं, तुम मुझको विश्वास दो। मैं तुमको विश्वास दूं, तुम मुझको विश्वास दो। शंकाओं के सागर हम लंघ जाएंगे, शंकाओं के सागर हम लंघ जाएंगे। इस धरा को मिलकर स्वर्ग बनाएंगे, इस धरा को मिलकर स्वर्ग बनाएंगे। प्रेम बिना यह जीवन तो अनजाना है, प्रेम बिना यह जीवन तो अनजाना है। सब अपने हैं, कौन यहाँ बेगाना है, सब अपने हैं, कौन यहाँ बेगाना है। हर पल अपना अर्थवान हो जाएगा, हर पल अपना अर्थवान हो जाएगा। बस थोड़ा सा मन में प्यार जगाना है, बस थोड़ा सा मन में प्यार जगाना है। इस जीवन को साज दो।
The work that is required because of the environment in which we are, where there is growing violence, there is greater inequality, the distance between the haves and the have-nots has become much larger. There are much fewer people who are willing to invest in the kind of work that needs to be done to make that change. Shruti is definitely in facing a lot of challenges in all of these respects.
हमें ये पता है कि अगर हम व्यवस्था को बदलना चाहते हैं तो ऐसी ताकतें भी हैं जो व्यवस्था को कायम रखना चाहती, और हम ये नहीं चाहते कि एक अमीर आदमी का दरवाज़ा खटखटा कर हम उसके आगे हाथ पसारें। हम उससे अच्छा समझते हैं कि उसकी बजाय हम 100 ऐसे लोगों के सामने जाएंगे जो चाहेंगे, मन से चाहेंगे व्यवस्था का बदलाव।
So there were these twin considerations of ideology and practical considerations that led us to raise money from within the country. We were in touch with a lot of garment exporters who had surplus garments. So we started out with a small sale, and the response was immense, and that kind of snowballed, and we were able to retail something like 3 and 4 lakhs worth of garments, and that really went into getting our corpus off the ground. So we'd go from house to house and knock on, make these blind calls and talk about Shruti, and I would say 7 out of 10 people would respond by pledging their raddi to us. Concerts happened because there were friends who were keen to use music to spread the message of Shruti.
श्रुति एक केंद्र बना जहां हम आके विचार कर सकते थे और आगे का जो कदम उठाना है हम उठा सकते थे। ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण